How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be showing you how you can simply and easily bench test your starter to check its condition. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just give you a couple of examples on how a starter motor failure can present in a vehicle. The first clip I'm going to show is of an intermittent fault with a starter motor, which was confirmed by a bench test here. And this second clip that I'm showing is of a complete failure, and that vehicle was towed into the workshop. And this is the simple test you do when carrying out a bench test. Very quick way on how I bench test starter motors. So you might want to bench test starter motor for many different reasons, but this is how you hook it up. You don't have to have a booster pack, but it will be of a benefit to you because you can have an on-off switch, but any 12-volt supply will do. We've got our ground lead hooked up to the body of the starter. Then we've got our positive hooked up to the back of the solenoid. Then you're going to want to get the signal. So you got the signal wire here, and that doubles back on to the solenoid connector. So you're doubling that back on to the red lead, and then when you've it all hooked up, I have it clamped in the vise here to make it easy test, and you can flick it on and off multiple times and see if your starter motor is doing what it should. Really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.